Hi everyone, welcome to the next Klara Markova video. We have these cute little cherries to do today. Now I'm using the Castle Arts pencils as I have been for the whole set of videos, and in that set we have a colour called Cherry Pink. So it really just seems the place to start with our cherries. Now Klara has marked on areas where it should be a little bit darker. I'm going to do a light layer of the cherry pink. Now for me, cherries aren't usually pink. The ones I like are almost black and delicious, and so I'm not sure whether we're going to need to add some other colours, but I've put that light layer on and I'm just going to start layering up. Excuse me, here where they're overlapping, look, and there is where Klara has marked. So I'm going to start to fade that colour across the cherry like that, and do the same with this one, and then I'll have a look and see whether I think it's enough where colour is concerned or whether we need to add some deeper colours. But it's quite cute, I have to say, so I'm sort of thinking I might just leave it like that, although that bit there is much darker than this bit here, so let's just even that up a little bit and fade that across. I still think I need a bit more here. Every so often you have to sit back a little bit and just check out what it looks like. I just feel that those bits need to be a bit darker. Look in the camera, that's better. I feel that's more even, that how dark this bit is similar to how dark that bit is, and that's what I was looking for. Now I just want to fade that a bit better. Yeah, I'm being a bit fussy, I think. So those are pink. Now when we do our cherry on our cake, excuse me, we'll use a different colour to show. I've just spotted a colour that I think will work for that one, so we'll do that. But for now we'll do our leaves. Now cherry leaves, I'm trying to think, dark mid green maybe. I'm trying to think. I'm going to go for the leaf green. Yeah, I'm going to go for the leaf green light to start with. Oh no, sorry, castle green light, because that to me looks about the right colour. Now the stalks are sometimes really dark. If you have the really dark cherries, the stalks are the colour of the cherries. But we'll just see how this goes. So I'm just putting a layer on. Now I'm going to have a think. So I'll put a bit more under here. I mean, we could use a stronger green, a darker green, but I'm just experimenting with this one to start with. Oh, I can hear a dog barking. Got some new neighbours over the back with a dog. I'm definitely going to pick a slightly darker green. But I don't want one that's... I think I'm going to use the Juniper green. I think that's the right sort of shade. Yeah, we've got some newish neighbours over the back and they've got a dog. And then the house over the corner, they've got a new dog and they've got their old dog, so you get a bit of barking. But they're really nice, deep barks. I'm not a fan of dogs, to be quite honest with you. I get a bit scared of them, that's why. And so I don't stroke them or anything like that. So back to this colour, just to blend in that darker bit a little bit. But I don't mind hearing them bark with a lovely deep sounding bark. I like that. The little yappy ones, they're not so much fun to listen to, I don't think. But I don't mind. I don't mind hearing them bark. I just mind more having them near me. I'm wondering whether to put a bit more shadow between those two. Tapping my fingernails, having a look. I don't want to go too dark. this is the colour. Indian Red Light. I only want a line. Having to layer it up a bit because the paper's quite smooth. There we go. For me, that makes a difference and finishes it off. For you, you might think, what a waste of time, I can't even see any difference. Now you could add shine to your cherries. Now these to me don't look very rounded because we've used the shading that we've been given. They look quite flat, but putting some shine on might make them look more rounded, but I'm not going to do that because I'm a bit worried that they might send my white gel pen go pink and it might just look a bit strange. So I'm going to leave those. This cherry I'm going to colour in a very different way. So you can pick maybe which one you like the best. I don't know. I know which one I'm going to like the best. This one. Because I've already decided how I'm going to do it. But that for today, that's all we're going to do. I know it's just a little. Tomorrow we've got the giant cake. So it won't even fit on the screen, it's so big. So there'll be a lot more to it tomorrow. I'm looking forward to having a go at that one. I've got a few good ideas. Well, I think they're good. I sound very modest. I've got a few good ideas. I've got a few ideas and I hope you think they're good. So I'm going to go. Thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe and ring the bell. Hit the bell on the near the subscribe button. There's a little bell and that helps you select how many notifications you want, and it means you can get notified when I have get a new video out. So when the cake one comes out, you'll get a little ping on your phone and you'll know to come and have a look. But for now, thank you for watching and happy colouring.